Have you ever wondered where your waste goes after you throw it away? It's a question that often slips our minds in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Yet, it's a question of critical importance. Every day, our planet grapples with the weight of billions of tons of waste. This waste, whether it's your discarded coffee cup or unwanted leftovers, doesn't just disappear. It piles up, filling landfills, polluting our oceans, and contaminating our air. And while we might not see it in our backyards, its effects are far-reaching. Improper waste disposal contributes significantly to climate change, a global issue that affects every single one of us. It's a cycle that starts with a single piece of trash and ends with a warmer planet. But what if we could break this cycle? What if we could make a difference? Imagine if you could change this reality, one day at a time. Enter the concept of zero waste, a solution to our environmental woes, a beacon of hope in a world drowning in trash. But what exactly does it mean? Zero waste is a philosophy, a goal, a lifestyle. It's a commitment to reducing the amount of waste we produce, and it all starts with a simple 5-step hierarchy: refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and rot. This guiding principle encourages us to first refuse what we don't need, reduce what we do need, reuse as much as we can, recycle what we can't, and let the rest rot. Let's delve deeper. Refuse urges us to say no to unnecessary items and packaging, to resist the allure of the shiny and new. Reduce asks us to question our consumption habits, to buy less and choose quality over quantity. Reuse advocates for giving items a second life, to repair rather than replace. Recycle is a last resort when refusing, reducing, and reusing aren't possible. And rot? That's all about composting organic waste, returning nutrients back to the earth. When we adopt the zero-waste lifestyle, we're not just reducing the trash in our bins, we're minimizing the waste that occurs throughout the life cycle of a product. From extraction of raw materials to disposal, each stage leaves a footprint. Zero waste aims to shrink that footprint, promoting sustainable practices like choosing products with minimal packaging, opting for renewable resources, and supporting companies that prioritize the environment. And the impact? It's tremendous. Every action, however small, contributes to a healthier environment. Less waste means fewer resources consumed, less pollution generated, and less impact on our planet. It's about creating a sustainable future where waste is not an end product, but a resource to be utilized. Zero waste is a journey, a shift in perspective. It's about realizing that our choices matter, that we have the power to change the narrative. It's about understanding that there's no such thing as away when we throw something away. Zero waste is not just a concept, it's a lifestyle. It's the path towards a cleaner, greener world. And the best part? The journey starts with you. Why should you care about zero waste? That's a question worth pondering. Zero waste isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. It's an approach to life that can help us conserve our valuable resources, save energy, reduce pollution, and even create jobs. It's a movement that touches every aspect of our lives, from the economy to our personal well-being. Imagine a world where every product is designed in a way that allows for endless reuse, where waste is seen not as a problem but a resource. That's the vision of a zero-waste world. It's an ambitious goal, certainly, but one that could have profound effects on our planet and future generations. When we talk about conserving resources, we're not just referring to the raw materials that go into our products. We're talking about the energy and water used in their production, the fuel burned to transport them, and the greenhouse gases emitted along the way. Every bit of waste that we can prevent or divert from the landfill represents a saving of these precious resources. But it's not just about saving resources, it's about saving energy too. Did you know that recycling uses far less energy than producing new goods from raw materials? And composting our organic waste can create nutrient-rich soil, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. Zero waste also helps in reducing pollution. Landfills are a major source of methane, a potent greenhouse gas. By reducing our waste, we can help mitigate climate change. Furthermore, the pollution caused by waste affects not just the environment, but our health too. Moreover, the zero-waste movement can stimulate the economy. It creates jobs in recycling and composting, in the design of reusable products, and in the services that support these activities. But perhaps the most compelling reason to care about zero waste is that it's good for you. Living a zero-waste lifestyle can be healthier, cheaper, and more fulfilling. It encourages mindfulness, creativity, and a deeper connection with the world around us. Zero waste is not just good for the environment, it's good for you too. Scene script. Are you ready to make a difference? Imagine a world where waste is a thing of the past. A world where we use resources mindfully and responsibly. Sounds utopian, right? But it's not as far-fetched as you might think. That's where the Zero Waste Challenge comes in. This challenge is about making small, manageable changes to your daily routine. It's about rethinking the way we consume and dispose. For instance, you could start by reducing single-use plastics. Opt for a reusable water bottle instead of disposable ones, or switch to a bamboo toothbrush over a plastic one. Consider your kitchen. Could you compost more? Buy in bulk, swap out paper towels for reusable rags. Even your wardrobe can go zero waste. Thrift shopping, anyone? Remember, it's not about perfection but progression. It's about making better choices today for a better world tomorrow. Every small step counts in this journey towards zero waste. It's time to step up and take action. You've journeyed with us through the wasteland dilemma, unraveled the concept of zero waste, and embraced the challenge. Now it's your turn to make a real, tangible difference. We invite you to take up the Zero Waste Challenge to make small but impactful steps in your daily life. It's not about perfection, but progress. Remember, every bit of effort counts. Each reusable bag, each composted peel, each recycled can, they all add up and contribute to a healthier, more sustainable world. The power to change lies in your hands. Imagine a world where our oceans are free of plastic, where our air is cleaner, where our earth is healthier. This is the world we can create together. Accept the Zero Waste Challenge today and become a part of the solution. It's not just about making a difference, it's about being the difference.